That's pretty sweet. So there's the Alta, that's the battery. All right, let's go back. So on average, I think this thing has around 30 miles to the tank. Well, not to the tank, but to the battery. This thing definitely goes, man. You give it throttle. Wow. It has some crazy torque. This is crazy. Dude, this just, I don't know, it feels so different. The speed. I don't want to wheelie this thing, but it looks like it cranks out easy wheelies. This is the rear brake. Something to get used to. That is neat. It definitely feels more plush, especially once you're giving it gas. Feels a lot more plush. So to turn it off, it's here, right? And then, yeah, I saw you pop a wheelie on that rock. Yeah. I was like, that was a pretty big rock. And I was like, you did it like nothing. I was like, so right now I have an Alta e-bike. Dude, this is weird. This is very strange. It's really comfortable though, like it's not, see how the, I bet you get some crazy looks on this, because like, wow, it's quiet. This is pretty sweet. It's super buttery smooth. I mean, no buzziness, no nothing. No shifting, which is the best part. You just pack up and go, you know? Like, this is pretty sweet.